Alright guys, just threw a quick design. I combined a few different designs to make a new one. And I'm going to try this, supposedly a metallized black. Alright, let's go ahead and send this. Alright, I'll try a different position. Sitting here at the desk right in front of the cutter. Let's see if this works for the filming. Oh, did it not cut through? Alright, so it did on the letters, just not my weed lines, it looks like. I don't really care as long as it weeds fine or cuts fine here. I'm not sure why the weed lines didn't cut this time, but they did on the other ones I've done today. That's a problem. Okay, so now I gotta find my apostrophe here. And the bad part is it looks like it went. What the hell is it? Yeah, it looks like it went adhesive to adhesive. And if that's the case, I may have to put some of this back down and just recut apostrophe. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna remount this over here. Pardon the coughing, I evidently don't know how to swallow anymore. Down the wrong pipe. So this is interesting. That side's totally metallic. That doesn't really look terribly metallic, but whatever. Squeeze that back down, slam it back in. Give me a minute, I'll be right back. Here we go. So as you can see, I ended up cutting 3 just because I thought, well, I don't want to go through that again. I do have this extra. I can use it as spare and potentially cut other stuff, something small with it, or these oopsies. There we go, that's pretty good. So with this one, I didn't have this particular design, but I did have a Rooster. I did have a sucker. And then of course I can make fonts, not make them, but type out a font. So I chose this cursive one, and I don't know where that just flew off into my machine. Crap. So I made my own. And we're just gonna make it a decal today. Don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Hit me up in the comments if you have any suggestions what I should do with it. So this is a test to see who's actually listening in versus who's just scrubbing through the video. Also, go check out our new online website at Ricky Tiki Tabby Cat on Shopify. We'll post the link down below. Alright, so I probably should move these apostrophes off of this page, or at least cut it down here. Let me just slide it to a different sheet. Alright. So I use the Frisco Craft. This I got on Amazon. It's a big old roll. It's cheap. It works really well, much better than the Decal. See, it's 4x4. Put that line. My guesstimate was pretty close. I think I cheated a little bit. Go to this line here. Oh, that's actually pretty good. So obviously, if I was doing a bunch of these, I would just cut everything, get it ready to go, and then do an assembly line. This is a one-off. It's for no one special. I mean, it's just for fun, just something I made. Go look this way, so I'll cover it. No, it's stuck. This isn't even a high tack and it does really well. Sometimes these fine ones, I just use my thumbnail or fingernail, push it down on there really good. Another thing I've seen is people peel it back away from the paper, and that works really well. Okay, let's see which direction this goes. Alright, there we go. We have our completed Don't Be a Rooster sucker. So this is an adult version of something. Alright, I went and decided to do a second cut, second design. It's really just a different font, not really a different design, honestly. Bada boom, bada bing, eh?